give you a really quick tour. So this is our bedroom here. This is our bathroom with a nice bath. Then we have a complete walk-in closet, which is as big as a bedroom. Then we have, let's see, Henry, can I come in? Oh, there you go. Hang on, this is Henry's bedroom. Henry's bedroom. Hallway. Henry's bathroom with massive shower. I'll just do it really quickly because my throat hurts. Then living room with the TV. Dining room area. Henry. And the kitchen with all things. Oven, microwave, big ass fridge, washing machine, dishwasher I mean, and the laundry room is there. And then I'll show you outside. It's really lovely. The outside is here, and that's our pool.